Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I am going to show you how you can be able to fix Afterpay account. It's not something difficult. I'm going to show you how you can do it today. So I'm going to my phone, as you can see, and what you need to do is to go to any browser you want. For me, I'm going to choose Safari. And then go to helpafterpay.com. It's or you only need to click on Google like Help Center Afterpay, and you're gonna find the website. And let's scroll down and click on Still Need Help. Get in touch. Okay. Alright, now what we need to do is to click on I need help to log in or to manage my account. I'm gonna click on it. Alright, so here you need to enter your info like email address, choose what you need, what help you need from them, your first and last name, date of birth, like all your info. And here what you need to do is to describe your problem in details so they can know how they can help you. Choose your country. Okay, you can add a file here. Okay, if there is something that you can prove to them, you can add it from here. It's optional. And then click on submit, and like this they're gonna review your application, and they're gonna see how they can help you to fix your Afterpay account. And that's it, guys. As I told you, nothing is difficult. You only need to follow these steps, and you're gonna be able to fix your Afterpay account. This was the video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.